Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is for those of you who have a heart and a soft spot for helping parents with their child support and making sure that their questions are answered and they are getting the support they need. So this is going to be a customer service position. I keep trying to mix it up a little bit. So of course, if you have anything specific that you're looking for, always feel free to leave that in the comments down below. And if you're interested in applying in this position, the links are in the YouTube description box below the video. But the company SMI is hiring a customer service representative to work with their state disbursement unit. Now, this is 100% remote work from home for my United States folks only. But they are looking for someone to do customer service by responding to customer service calls and correspondence according to their standard operating procedures and contact requirements. So they are going to have SOPs for you. They'll help train you. You don't have to worry about not knowing what you're doing. So you'll be receiving calls from child support customers or other stakeholders and responding to them following those SOPs and training that they give you. You'll be handling upset callers clearly, so you need to be able to have a little bit of empathy. Now, as far as what they're looking for someone who kind of knows policies and procedures based on child support payment processing. If you know child support policies, that is great. Modern office practices, procedures, how to use computer equipment, just kind of the basics. You need to be able to respond promptly to customers, to work independently, and communicate effectively. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience in some kind of area of customer service, a call center, or related combination of education and work experience. So customer service does not have to be call center. It can be anything where you served a customer, from babysitting to being a server in a restaurant to being a cashier in a department store. Now, one thing to note, pay rate is $14.15 an hour. Of course, they offer paid training, and they're looking for someone who can work the set schedule of Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, make sure that those hours will work for you when you convert it to your time zone. Now, they are also looking for people who are fluent in Spanish as well as English. So if you are bilingual, they actually pay higher for that, but that is not a requirement. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found this job lead or any job leads that I find helpful, as that does give me direct feedback. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.